Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom notification sound in Samsung Galaxy A17. Now to do that, first of all you just have to open your Files app and here go for audio files and select the audio which you want to set as your own or custom ringtone or notification sound, and I'm going to select, that's for example this one. Just keep a long press on it, then select move option, then select internal storage, then look for notification option, then go for move here. Once you have that, just open your settings, go for sound and vibration, go for notification sound, and you will get your moved notification here. So from here you can easily select that. So that's how you can easily set custom notification sound in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.